Two fugitives, two continents, two wins for India. India scored major victories in its global pursuit of justice with the extradition of Tahawwur Rana from the US and the arrest of Mehul Choksi in Belgium. These developments underscore India's unwavering commitment to bringing fugitives to justice, no matter where they are. Why this matters, ANI explains. Mehul Choksi's arrest in Belgium is a major diplomatic victory for India in its pursuit of economic offenders. Accused in the $1.56 billion Punjab National Bank scam, Choksi had fled India in 2018, gaining Antiguan citizenship before relocating to Belgium. His detention, following India's sustained diplomatic and legal efforts, highlights growing global cooperation against financial fugitives.
देखिए, मोदी जी ने जो पहले ही कहा कि गरीबों का पैसा जिन जिन लोगों ने खाया है उसको वापस करना होगा, और देश में सभी के खिलाफ कार्रवाई चल रहा है। मेहुल चोक्सी पकड़ा गया है, निश्चित तौर से बहुत बड़ी सफलता है।
With an extradition request underway, the move reinforces the credibility of Indian agencies and sends a strong message. Economic offenders cannot evade justice by fleeing abroad.
Certainly is a very, very welcome development that Mehul Choksi has been arrested provisionally by the Belgian authorities on India's request. It is a diplomatic victory. It is a victory for our legal teams who've been working on this along with our foreign office, etc.
On the other hand, the extradition of Tahawwur Rana from the US is also a significant diplomatic win for India, underscoring the strengthening of India-US strategic ties. As a key accused in the 2008 Mumbai terror attacks, Rana had sought refuge in the US. His extradition is a crucial step in delivering justice for the 26/11 victims and highlights growing cooperation between the two nations on counter-terrorism.
Today I'm pleased to announce that my administration has approved the extradition of one of the plotters and one of the very evil people of the world, and having to do with the horrific 2008 Mumbai terrorist attack, to face justice in India. So he's going to be going back to India.
This move emphasizes the shared commitment to combating global terrorism and reinforces the principles that fugitives cannot escape justice.
मैं समझती हूँ कि ये तहव्वुर राना के एक्स्ट्रेडिशन एक बहुत अच्छा उदाहरण है कि अमेरिका और भारत कैसे सहयोग कर रहे हैं आतंकवादी के खिलाफ, और हम समझते हैं कि वो जो मुंबई में हुआ 11-26 तारीख को, वो एक बहुत खौफनाक हमला था, और तहव्वुर राना न्याय का सामना करना चाहिए.
India is actively pursuing the extradition of several high-profile fugitives involved in financial frauds. Vijay Mallya remains in the UK, contesting extradition despite losing an appeal against a bankruptcy order. Nirav Modi is imprisoned in the UK, awaiting extradition, while Lalit Modi remains in the UK with extradition efforts ongoing. Mehul Choksi's extradition from Belgium may be complicated by EU legal protections for citizens. However, the extradition of Tahawwur Rana and Choksi's arrest marks a new era in India's global legal diplomacy, combining legal rigor, strategic pressure, and international trust.
प्रभातखबर.com, विश्वास वही, रफ्तार नहीं.